Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in last class we have learned that how to read Fatha and how it sounds like. Now in this class we are going to learn how to make words using Fatha. So first of all you have to follow me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So as you can see that there is fatha above the fa, so the fatha will always be above the letter, right? So first of all we will start from this fa. So it sounds like fa fatha fa, fa fatha fa. Now next one ra, ra fatha ra, ra fatha ra. Now we will join these two letters. Fa fatha fa, ra fatha ra, fa ra, ضاد fatha za, ضاد fatha za, faraza, faraza. Yes. Now we will read this second letter, this second word. So kaf fatha ka, kaf fatha ka. Now second letter. Ta fathata, ta fathata, kata, ba fathaba, kataba, صاد fathasa, صاد fathasa, dal fathada, dal fathada, صada, قاف fathaqa, قاف fathaqa, صداقة, واو fathawa, واو fathawa, را فتحة را، را فتحة را، ورا، دال فتحة دا، ورادة، جيم فتحة جا، جيم فتحة جا، ميم فتحة ما، ميم فتحة ما، جمع، عين فتحة ع، عين فتحة ع، جماعة. So this was our lesson. We have learned in this class how to make words using fatha. So it was very easy and it was very simple. So inshallah in next class we are going to read how to learn kasra. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.